Good morning, everybody. I hope your day is going pretty well. Today I want to pick up where we left off yesterday, talking about fractions as percentages. So I want to start with a do now, which I'll pass out over here as well. So the do now has 5 questions. I'm going to give everybody 2 minutes to finish it, and then we're going to go through it. Please let me know if you guys have any questions. Be circulating around. This is some review from yesterday's lesson, so it should be pretty straightforward. Very good. Got about a minute left. Give the other group some time. All right. So let's take a minute just to go over this. I'll answer any questions you guys have and then we'll move on. Okay, so number 1. Write 1/4 as a percentage. What do you get for an answer?
25%.
Very good, 25%. So the way you're going to do this is you're going to use your calculator. You're going to take 1, you're going to divide it by 4, and then you're going to move your decimal to create a percentage. Very good. Number 2 is write 1/3 as a percentage. What did we get for that one?
33.3%.
Very good. So same idea here. Using your calculator, take 1, divide it by 3, and move your decimal, just like we talked about. Very good. Number 3. Can you read number 3 for me, please?
Write 29 out of 100 as a percentage.
Good. And what is your answer?
29%.
Very good. Awesome. And then the last 2 are just a review. So number 4 is define the numerator. So what is the numerator?
The number on top of the fraction.
Very good. The numerator is the top number of our fraction. And what is the denominator?
Number on the bottom of the fraction.
Very good. So the denominator is the number on the bottom of the fraction. Very good. So I'll collect this. Nicely done. I collect it from these students over here. Very good. Okay. All right. So next what we're going to do is we're going to play a little game. So just so I can make sure you guys are mastering this concept before we move on, we're going to play a little game. There's going to be 10 questions, and I'm going to read the questions out loud. This group over here is going to have an answer sheet. That group over there is going to have an answer sheet. You guys are going to write down the answers. At the end, we're going to compare. The winning team is going to get a snack from the school store, which I know you guys love. So we're going to play for a snack from the school store. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hand out your answer sheet for the game to this group, which gives you 2 answer choices for each question rather than having to do the answer in your head. So this is the differentiated piece of the assignment. The other group is going to use paper and figure it out on their own. So the only thing you guys will need is a calculator and the piece of paper that's in front of you and something to write with. Does anybody have any questions? Okay, perfect. What about over there? Any questions? Figured not. Good. Okay. Take as much time as you need for these. I want a thumbs up when you guys are done and we'll move on. So the first question is write 3/6 as a percent. So the group over here, choose either A or B. Group over here, show me some math. Circle your answer, please. 3/6 as a percentage. In group 1, you have some scrap space at the bottom if you need. Okay, thumbs up when you're ready. Very good. Okay, number 2. Write 0.92 as a fraction. You do not need to simplify. Just write it in its original form. We will move on to simplifying at some point. We are not ready yet. Does anybody have any questions? Everyone good? Thumbs up? Okay, great. Number 3, write 1/3 as a percentage. Group A, make your choice. Group B, show me some math. Circle your answer, please. The point of this game is to get your guys' concept mastery up on this specific topic so that we can take the next step in this lesson, in this unit. Very good. Thumbs up when you guys are done. Good. Okay, question number 4. Write 0.35 as a fraction. Group B, any questions? Okay. Very good. Very good. Keep up the good work. Okay, thumbs up when you're ready. Good. All right, number 5. Write 2/5 as a percentage. Feel free to take a minute. Write out the fraction. Use your calculator. Very good. Thumbs up when you're ready. Good. Okay. Any questions before I move on? Very good. Okay, number 6. Write 0.81 as a fraction. Make sure group B, you guys are using your calculator. Any questions? Thumbs up when you guys are good. Perfect. Moving on. Number 7. Write 4/7 as a percentage. So as you guys can see, there's a pattern here. We're writing fractions as percentages, and we are writing decimals as fractions. Okay, good. Thumbs up when you guys are ready. Good. Okay, moving on to number 8. 3 more left. Write 0.72 as a fraction. Group B. Okay, good. Make sure you guys are circling your answer, please, so I can tell where it is. Okay, good. Thumbs up when you guys are ready. Okay, number 9. Write 5/13 as a percentage. Take a minute, think about it, use your calculator. Once again, make sure you are circling your answer, practicing good mathematical habits. Thumbs up when we're ready. Okay, last question. Bonus question. Write 0.628 as a fraction. Now keep in mind we have an extra decimal place in this problem. So how are we going to handle that? Thumbs up when you're ready. Okay, group B, are we ready? Okay, good. Does anybody have any questions before we go over the assignment? Okay, so winning team is going to get the snack, remember. So I hope you guys took this serious. In Group B, I hope you circled your answers correctly, because that's very important. Especially on the MCAS, where we need to clearly identify where our answer is, needs to be circled. So very good. Okay, so number 1, write 3/6 as a percentage. Fine young lady in Group A, what was your answer?
B.
B is correct. And what is B?
50%.
Very good. 50%. Great. Nice job. Question 2. Write 0.92 as a fraction. Answer?
A, 92 over 100.
Very good. 92 over 100. Great. So anytime we have a decimal that goes to the hundredths place, we take the two numbers and we put it over 100, and that is our fraction. Does anybody have any questions about that? Okay, good. Moving on. Write 1/3 as a percentage. Answer?
A, 33%.
Very good. Same process as number 1. Take 1, divide it by 3, move our decimal, and we have 33%. Very good. Okay, question number 4. Write 0.35 as a fraction. Answer?
B, 35 out of 100.
Very good. Same process as number 2. We take the number, we put it over 100. That is our fraction in its original form. We will work on simplifying at another point. For now, we're focusing on identifying the correct fraction. Very good. Number 5. Write 2/5 as a percentage. Answer?
B, 40%.
Very good. B, 40%. Fantastic. Great work, everyone. Group B, do you guys have any questions? Yes. So you want to take 2. You're going to divide it by 5. Once you get that decimal, you're going to move it 2 spots. And that's going to be your answer. Does that clarify? Fantastic. Okay, moving on. Question number 6. Write 0.81 as a fraction. Answer?
81 over 100.
Very good. Great, let's keep it moving here. Very good. Question 7. Write 4/7 as a fraction. Answer?
A, 60%.
Ooh. Group B? Okay, good. So, can somebody use your calculator? Take 4 divided by 7 and tell me what you get. Group B? 57.1. Very good. 57.1. Good. Good job, Group B. Very good. Okay, number 8. Write 0.72 as a fraction. Answer?
A, 72 over 100.
Fantastic. Very good. 72 over 100. Once again, we're keeping it in its original form. We are not simplifying just yet. So perfect. Okay, 2 more left. Number 9. Write 5/13 as a percentage. Answer?
B, 40%.
Good. Be 40%. In the bonus question, raise your hand if you have an answer to the bonus question. So we both do. Great. Group A, what is the answer to the bonus question?
A, 628 out of 1,000.
Great. Now, why is this one over 1,000 and not 100?
Because it goes one place further in the decimal.
Fantastic. We have an extra decimal place, so therefore we have an extra 0 on the denominator of our fraction. So the correct answer is 628 over 1,000. Very good work. Okay, does anybody have any questions before we finish with the exit ticket? I'll take this. Very good job. Okay. Great. So now for the exit ticket. Since you guys love Kahoot, by the way, Group A will get the snack at the school store later on today. So very good. So now to wrap up with the exit ticket, we're going to play a quick Kahoot, which is going to gauge for understanding on how well you guys are mastering this topic. So, since I don't have all my resources in front of me, we're going to set it up. So my Chromebook is parallel with the students, so we can see both the questions and the answer choices. So we're going to start up the Kahoot. Very good. I would ask that both groups please type in your game ID. Please type in your nickname as well. And there we have it. Start. 5 questions just as a review. This will count as your exit ticket for the day. Please complete it in order to earn all of your work points. So the first one is round to the nearest 10th. Very good job, lady in Group A. 65.5. Very good. All right, moving on. Again, please round to the nearest 10th. 48.912 is what rounded to the nearest 10th? Very good, 48.9. As we know, our 10th place is the first to the right of the decimal. The 1 is less than 5, so the number stays the same. Any questions? Great. Couple more. Please round to the nearest 100th. 20.915. So remember what place we are now looking at. The 100th place. Very good, 20.92. Since we have a 5, the 1 turns into a 2. Very good. You're on fire. Please round to the nearest 100th. 16.346. Great. Nice work. 16.35. Last one. Round to the nearest 1,000th. We have a bonus question. 35.9167. Nice. 35.917. Fantastic job. 5 out of 5 correct. So let me ask you a question before we wrap up. How are you guys feeling about this material? You guys think you're ready to take the next step?
Yep.
Perfect. Does anybody else have any questions for me before we wrap up?
Nope.
Okay, perfect. I want to thank you guys for your participation today. The lesson went very well. I'm looking forward to taking the next step with you guys. I'm starting to simplify our fractions and move out to the 1,000th place doing the decimals. So great job, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.